Good day everyone, we are Group 1 and today we'll be discussing an important psychological theory, the hierarchy of needs by Abraham Maslow. Our group members will walk you through the different levels of needs from the most basic to the more complex. Let's begin.
Hierarchy of Needs Introduction. Maslow hierarchy of needs is a psychological theory proposed by Abraham Maslow in 1943. It outlines a five-tier model of human needs often depicted as a pyramid, with basic needs at the bottom and more complex needs at the top. So this hierarchy of Abraham Maslow, foundational theory siya in human motivation. He introduced this theory in 1943 with the title A Theory of Human Motivation. So what is the reason why he made this theory? He believed that human needs categorized into 5-level pyramid. First is psychological needs, which is found in the bottom of the pyramid, and it refers to common needs like food and water. Next is progressing to safety, love and belonging, esteem, and ultimately the self-actualization. This 5 level of needs po is mati-discuss later on. And according to Maslow, individual must satisfy lower level needs before they can address higher level of needs. So why is that po? Maslow believed that kailangan masatisfy muna tayo sa lower level needs because if basic needs pa lang kulang na, edi wala na tayong stable foundation na makakatulong sa atin to focus achieving higher level needs such as esteem and self-actualization. Addition to that, sobrang laki ng impact ng theory na ito sa psychology, education, and management because this theory provides insights in human motivation and personal growth. And that's all for the introduction. Thank you.
Self-actualization, the highest level in Maslow hierarchy. It involves achieving one's fullest potential, pursuing personal growth, and finding meaning in life. This could manifest in creative pursuit, problem-solving, or contributing to society in meaningful ways. Maslow believing that only after fulfilling the lower level needs can individuals focus on self-actualization. So yung self-actualization is something that deals about our strengths and weaknesses. Or in Tagalog, ito yung pag-i-evaluate natin ng kalakasan at kahinaan natin. For other people kasi mas nagpo-focus sila kung saan sila magaling or kung saan yung mas gaming at komportable sila. But staying on our comfort zone can make us weak. In life, we need to be adventurous para mas ma-discover pa natin yung sarili natin. Kung saan kaya tayo mas hirap, doon tayo magpo-focus. Kasi kapag na-overcome natin yung weaknesses natin, hindi natin namamalayan na tumitibay tayo. That is one of most difficult of being an adult. Yung pag-face natin sa mga struggles natin, habang nalalampasan natin is mas salo tayong natututo sa buhay. Mas makikilala pa natin yung sarili natin at ito yung hindi mawawala when we are growing kasi kailangan ng problems and hindrance for our own personal growth. Self-esteem. Second to the highest in Maslow hierarchy of needs, located just below self-actualization, it refers to an individual's sense of personal worth, confidence, and the feeling of being respected or valued by others. Maslow divided self-esteem needs into two. So, yung self-esteem, syempre ang una na papasok agad sa isip natin while we are talking about self-esteem is syempre yung self-confidence. Self-esteem is something na about sa sarili natin, na tumutukoy sa pagtitiwala natin sa sarili. There are some things nga lang na kapag nasobrahan tayo sa self-confidence, is nagkakaroon siya ng negative effect. At ito yung nasasabi na tayo ng presko, hambog, or mayabang ganun. That's why when we are talking about self-esteem, hindi lang siya about sa self-respect, confidence, it also have feeling valued by others, by sense of being respected, appreciated, and accepted by those around us. Always remember that too much confidence can result as being arrogant. That's why involved pa dito kung paano tayo titignan ng ibang tao.
Love and belonging, third level in Maslow hierarchy of needs, following psychological and safety needs. Once a person basic survival and security needs are met, they become motivated by social needs for connection and relationships. This stage emphasizes the human desire for emotional ties, affection, and belonging with the community. Love and belonging, this is the third level of hierarchy of needs ni Abraham Maslow, ay ang love and belonging o pagmamahal at pakikipagkapwa. Ito po ay tumutukoy sa pagnanais ng bawat isa na magkaroon ng positibong ugnayan at koneksyon sa iba. Ang antas po na ito ay mahalaga ang pakikisama sa pamilya, kaibigan at even komunidad upang maramdaman ng bawat isa ang pagmamahal at pagtanggap mula sa ibang tao. Ang pagkakaroon po ng masasayang relasyon at connection po sa tao ay nagbibigay ng kaligayahan at ganap sa buhay ng isang tao. And sa madalang salita po, ang love and belongings ay patungkol sa pagmamahal at pakikipagkapwa na bumubuo po sa kaligayahan at kaganapan sa bawat individual. And ang kahalagahan po nito ay ang positibong relasyon at koneksyon sa iba na mararanasan ang pagmamahal, pagtanggap at kasiyahan mula sa iba't ibang tao. Safety and security, second tier in Maslow hierarchy of needs following psychological needs. Once an individual basic needs for survival such as food and shelter are met, they seek together in security. This level addresses both physical and psychological safety, and it's fundamental to a stable and healthy life. Safety and security. Ang safety and security naman po ni Abraham Maslow, matapos po ang pangangailangan para po makapag-survive ang tao tulad po ng tirahan, pagkain, kinakailangan din po ng tao ang safety and security or kaligtasan at seguridad. Ito po ay isa sa pinakamalaga sa tao dahil ang kaligtasan or safety, ito po ay ang pangangailangan ng tao na maging protektado laban po sa anumang panganib or pinsala, lalo na po sa physical at emotional na aspekto. And then ang seguridad or security naman po, nagsasaad naman po ito ng pangangailangan ng tao na maging may katiyakan at proteksyon laban po sa mga banta at pangamba sa buhay ng isang tao. And sa madaling salita po, ang safety and security ng hierarchy of needs ni Maslow, ito ay ang mahalagang aspekto ng buhay ng bawat tao dahil ang dalawang ito po ay nagbibigay ng katahimikan at kapanatagan sa isip ng bawat tao and nagpapalakas din po ng kanilang kaginhawaan at kaginhawaan sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Ang paliwanag naman po dito, base po dun, yung pundasyon po ng antas ng Maslow hierarchy of needs, ano po siya, nangangailangan po siya ng pangunahing pangangailangan ng tao para mabuhay. Kailangan po ito bago makapag-focus sa ibang mataas na antas ng pangangailangan gaya ng kaligtasan o seguridad, pagkakaroon ng relasyon sa kapwa at fulfillment. Yung makapaloob naman po sa psychological needs, ang belongingness and love needs, pati yung esteem needs. Yung belongingness and love needs po, ito po yung nagkakaroon ng relasyon sa kapwa, halimbawa sa kaibigan. Tapos yung esteem needs naman po, ito po yung estado ng pagiging respetado. Respetado po at pinapahalagaan o na-appreciate ng ibang tao. Halimbawa po dito yung self-improvement, tsaka yung strength training.
Good day everyone, I'm Richel Adorna. I'm going to tackle about the background of the proponent. Abraham Maslow, 1908 to 1970, an American psychologist, is best known for developing the hierarchy of needs theory, which focuses on human motivation and well-being. His work in humanistic psychology merged in reaction to the dominant psychological theory of his time, such as Freud's psychoanalysis and behaviorism. The 5 levels of the hierarchy are psychological: safety, love and belongings, esteem, and self-actualization. Lower level basic needs like food, water, and safety must be met first before higher needs can be fulfilled. Few people are believed to reach the level of self-actualization, but we can all have moments of peak experience. The order of the level is not completely fixed. For some, esteem outweighs love, while other may be self-actualization despite poverty. Application includes workplace, motivation, education, counseling, and nursing.
Of course, to tie it all together, the hierarchy of needs suggests that as humans, we must first meet our more basic needs like food and safety before we can focus on higher needs like love, self-esteem, and eventually self-actualization. This theory is key understanding in human motivation because it helps explain why we prioritize certain needs over others.
Maslow's hierarchy of needs highlights that human motivation is driven by fulfilling needs in a specific order from basic physiological needs to self-actualization. This concept is widely applied in fields like physiology, education, business, and healthcare to enhance well-being, improve productivity, optimize learning, and provide better care by addressing individuals' needs at each level.
Example, reality-based. Reality-based example of how Maslow hierarchy of need can apply in a practical setting, especially in the workplace. Sabi rito, ang Maslow hierarchy of needs ay isang teorya sa nagpapakita ng mga iba't ibang pangangailangan ng tao na dapat nating matugunan mula sa pangunahin at hanggang sa pinakamataas.
Thank you for listening to our presentation on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. We hope it gave you a clearer understanding of how these needs influence human behavior. Thank you so much and see you on our next presentation.